So this is a copy of Windows 10, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically download the editor that we're going to use and install it, and just create a text file and an HTML file with it. So if you go to this web address, and this will be on the homepage, notepad-plus-plus.org, you can see this is the website for Notepad++, so I can simply click on download, and I can find the latest release, and I can click on it and download it. There we go. And so now I can install it. Just say yes. Okay. Minimize that. Next. So I'm just going to install it in the default place on my copy of Windows 10. So I mean, you can configure the plugin and things, but the default settings will be fine for the ways that we're going to use Notepad++. Just click next, and what I'll do is I will add a shortcut to the desktop just to make it nice and easy. Click and install. And then finish. And what it should do is it should fire up Notepad++ for me automatically anyway. So here it is. I'll just close it down so you can see. Over here I've got an icon that's been placed on my desktop, and in fact if I just search in here for Notepad++, then you can just find it from there as well. So let's fire it up. Here it is. Make it a little bigger. And it's started with a page already, so I'll just close it down. And then I've got a file here, and I can just say this is a plain text file, and I can do all sorts of things, like I can view it, zoom in and out, do all sorts of things. Like that, just so you can see what's actually going on.